Let's see how to transfer domain from Hostinger to GoDaddy.
Log into your Hostinger Edge panel. Now from the left menu, click on Domains. Click on Manage next to your domain name that you want to transfer. Now on the right menu, here you will see the transfer section, and under it you will see domain lock. Just turn it off. Click on Unlock. Now go to godaddy.com, and then from the top just click on Domains and select Transfer Domain Names. Enter your Hostinger domain name and click Transfer your domain. Now we need to go back to Hostinger and copy the authorization code. Click on Get Code. Copy the code from here. Go back to GoDaddy and paste it here. Click on Continue. Now from here I will select No Thanks. Now log into your GoDaddy account and purchase this domain, and in this way your Hostinger domain will be transferred to your GoDaddy account. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.